Welcome to session 19 of Word Power Made Easy. In this session, we will be learning words that will help you understand actions, reactions, attitudes, and emotions. The first word for the day is disparaging. Disparaging means to disgrace someone, to belittle someone, to call down upon. So, for example, if there are 10 friends and one of the friend is not as smart as the other 9, and they have decided to go on a quiz, so the 9 friends tell the 10th friend, you cannot come with us because you are not as smart as us. So they are disparaging that friend. The next word is equivocating. Equivocating means to have a very unclear view, being diplomatic, or beating around the bush. For example, Jack continued to equivocate when the police persisted questioning. He kept on beating around the bush. He did not come to a very straight statement. The next word is titillate. Titillate means to have a very exciting feeling, to arouse interest or excitement. For example, if you have a book that was so good that you kept hugging yourself to it. For example, if you have gone to visit a friend that you haven't met since a very long time, you have your favorite dessert for dinner, these things titillate you. They bring around a happy or excited feeling. The next word is adulate. Adulate means to give respect, affection, or to praise excessively. For example, if at your house your favorite celebrity has come, for example Salman Khan, then you will get overwhelmed. You will praise him, you will respect him. So you adulate Salman Khan. The next word is proscribe. Proscribe means to ban, to denounce, to prohibit. For example, because she had sore throat, the doctor prescribed sweets. So the doctor prohibited sweets. Another example is law has prohibited texting while driving. So you cannot text while you are driving. The next word is obviate. Obviate means to remove, to avoid, or to prevent. For example, the new treatment obviates many risks associated with the surgery. So the new treatment removes the risk or prevents the risk that were associated with the surgery. The next word is militates. Militates is a deciding factor for or against. It is something that brings about an effect or a change. For example, your father's loss of his job may militate against the family vacation your parents had been planning. So, because the father has lost his job, it will be a against factor, or it will change the fact that the family has been planning vacation. The next word is maligning. Maligning means to have an intention to hurt someone, to speak about someone in a very critical or unpleasant manner. For example, do not malign me simply because you are jealous of my wealth. So do not say something against me only because you are jealous of the wealth that I possess. The next word is condone. Condone means to forgive. For example, we cannot condone child abuse. We cannot forgive child abuse. The next word is placate. Placate means to soothe someone or to stop them from being angry by giving them something that pleases them. For example, she sensed that nothing she could say would placate him. So nothing that she would say would bring down his anger. So those are the words for this session. Here are the pronunciations for it. Disparage, equivocate, titillate, adulate, prescribe, obviate, militate, malign, condone, placate. Here is match the following. So you can pause the video and do it yourself and then check the answers. The next exercise is to know that if you have understood the words that we discussed. So you can pause the video, solve it and then comment down. Then here is the exercise that you can solve. So you can take these words and even make your own sentences so that you know you have understood the words properly. And you can also comment those sentences below in the comment section. So that's the end of session 19.